What's going on, fishing fam? Hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome to another episode. I am here at Mission Trails walking to the river. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little sketched about walking out here because there's nothing around, nobody around, and it's pretty much rattlesnake season because it's been around 90 degrees for like 3 days straight. So I know the snakes are out, so I'm trying to keep an eye out where I walk to make sure I don't step on a snake. We're just gonna get down here to the river and see what we can catch. Today I'm gonna be using night crawlers. I'm just gonna be throwing them out either with a split shot or weightless. See if I can't get on a bass, because I know these bass that live here in the river, their main diet is most likely gonna be night crawler or worms or crawfish. So see if we can't get on a few bass. I also have a frog tied on. Just in case, throw it around for the hell of it. I've never caught a bass on a frog, so we'll see what we can do, and we're just gonna get to it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, the objective of today is to catch some fish with night crawlers, and I just have a small hook here with a small piece of night crawler. I can already see about 5 bluegill hanging out, and this is the first spot, but we will be trying to get some bass today. But right now I'm going to target bluegill because I can see a few big ones too. It's so hard not to spook them. Oh my god, there's a big ass carp. See what happens. On immediately. That did not take long. On. Other one. These are all nice looking, pretty, bright colored bluegill. These are decent for creeks. This place is loaded. Oh, on. Decent little guy. Guys, there's so many bluegill right here. And there's one bass. On. This is gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, there's a big, oh shoot. There are huge carp in here. They're so skinny though. Maybe I should put a split shot on. Go over towards this carp. Oh, there's 3 of them. It's weird. I'm throwing this night crawler right in front of these bass and they don't want it. The carp don't even want it. Oh, they're coming back over here. Oh, I got a small ass bluegill on a night crawler. Whole night crawler. Oh no, it's not a small one. This guy ate a whole night crawler. Dang. See you later, buddy. Oh, look what I just found. Guess other people do fish here. Nice little jerkbait type of deal. It's in good condition. I'll be taking that. That in my box. Guess other people do know about my secret spot. Meanwhile, bent the freaking fell and bent the handle on my reels. Oh, I had one. My bait's too big. Freaking, I know it was a bluegill. If that was a bass, he would have took it, no problem. Just feeling the little pecks. Oh dang, big carp. Man. Oh, there he is. Little guy. What's up, little guy? Man, you can catch these bluegill here all day long. God, swallowed it. See you later, buddy. Oh, I got one. Little guy just sitting on it. I couldn't even feel the bite. This wind situation isn't really helping. I can't feel when they bite, so I keep getting them. They keep swallowing it. Hook came out nice and easy. He's bleeding, but he should be alright. See you later, buddy. Gone. Got him. Watched him come up and eat it. Oh, that's a better one. Definitely a better one for today. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Good size bluegill. Dang. I'll take him all day. See you later, little buddy. Good size one. Alright, fishing fam. That's gonna be it for today. Came out here. I caught about 25, 30 bluegill. I'm not gonna put every single catch on this video, but came out here, slayed the bluegill. This place is just loaded with bluegill, loaded with carp, small carp, big carp. So I'm probably gonna come back out tomorrow sometime and bring the proper carp bait and see if I can't get on some carp with some light tackle. Should be a dope video. Hopefully we can get on some of these carp. They didn't want nothing to do with the night crawlers. I throw it right in front of their face. They wouldn't even eat it. They were actually looking at the frog when I was throwing the frog on top of the water. I had a bunch of bass just coming up, looking at the frog, but they weren't that big. Only like one was big enough to actually eat it. So I don't think that there are quality size bass in here. I don't know why, but it is loaded with carp, loaded with bluegill. Still a great time coming out here, doing something different than going to the lake, Santee Lakes and Lake Murray. It's just something different to get out here, explore, hike. So nice out here. But yeah, that's it. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Smash that like button, subscribe, click that bell so you get all the notifications for some more great content to coming soon in the future. And as always, till next time, peace.